For today's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies recipe, we are making these buttery and delicious Snickerdoodle cookies. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and half a teaspoon of finely ground sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined. In a large bowl or the bowl of your stand mixer, place 1/2 cup of softened butter, as well as 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar. Mix this on low for 2 to 3 minutes or until the butter and sugar are well creamed and everything is nice and soft. And the full recipe can also be found down below. Now we can add in 1 large room temperature egg as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll want to continue mixing this on low for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture is nice and airy and pale in color. Now we can add in our dry ingredients, and if you're using your stand mixer, do this in 2 additions so you don't make a big mess. Once again, we'll mix this on low until everything comes together and there's no streaks of flour remaining. It may be a little bit crumbly, but that's okay. It'll all come together once we start scooping it. Next, in a small bowl, we're going to combine 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give this a quick whisk until everything is combined. Using a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop or 2 large spoons, you're going to want to form balls and drop them into this mixture. Really press the cinnamon and sugar in to ensure a nice even coating, and then we can place them onto our parchment lined cookie sheet. These can also be made ahead of time and frozen, so check the description box below to find out all the info for that. Use a flat bottom cup or a spatula to flatten the balls. These will bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for about 8 minutes. Allow them to cool on the pan for a moment, and then we can transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. And that is how you make Snickerdoodle cookies. With a soft buttery center and just a hint of cinnamon, it's no wonder this is one of my most popular Christmas cookie recipes. Don't forget to subscribe so that you see all of the videos in our 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series.